quaint coastal town, whispers of a mysterious phenomenon spread. Fishermen claimed that sound travelled faster underwater, revealing secrets of the deep. One night, a curious diver ventured into the ocean, guided by the haunting melody of a distant song. As he descended, the melody grew clearer, leading him to an ancient shipwreck. Inside, he found a chest filled with letters from the past, each echoing tales of lost love. The twist? The letters were written by the town's ancestors, warning of a future where sound would bridge worlds. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.